This is maths with Ish. Now in this question we are asked to find the roots of this equation. Now whenever you are asked to find the roots of a quadratic equation, they are simply asking you to find the solution to the quadratic equation. Okay, so they just want you to get the values of x. That is what it's called. That is what is called the roots. Okay, so now the formula we want to use is the general formula method. Remember, I said don't ever call it almighty formula. Is that clear? Because it's only God that is almighty. Now let's go. So we are going to use the general formula method now, which is given as, so our solution now, we say recall. Let's recall our formula now that say that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is our general formula method. Now let's go. How do we apply this general formula method? How do I apply the formula method? Now listen, you see the coefficient of this first term here, that is our a, the coefficient of this second term here, that is our b, this last term, that is our c. So all we need to do now is to substitute these values into this formula, and that's all. Okay, so let's go. The coefficient of x squared here is 1, remember, so which means that our a is 1. The coefficient of x here is minus 9, which means our b is minus 9, and our c is what? Is 14. So these values are what we are going to slot in into this formula. Is that not interesting? It is. Okay, so let's go. So our x is equal to minus, we have a minus, what's our b? Our b is minus 9 plus or minus square root of b squared, which is minus 9 squared, then minus 4 times a. What's our a? Our a is 1 times c. What's our c? Our c is 14. Can you see that? So everything over 2a. What's our a again? This a, let me write it properly. What's our a? Our a is 1, so 2 times 1. Can you see that? Okay, so let's just simplify our work. We're almost done. Minus times minus is plus, so this gives us plus 9, plus or minus 9 squared is 81, minus, here we're going to have 4 times 1, which is 4 times 14. That gives us 56 all over 2 times 1, and that is 2. Okay, so from here we're going to have 9 plus or minus square root of 81 minus 56, that gives us 25 all over 2. Okay, so our next step, we know that our square root of 25 is 5 all over 2. So from here we can now separate the two signs. Okay, so which means that our x is equals to 9 plus 5 over 2, or our x is what? Or our x is 9 minus 5 over 2. So this gives us 14 over 2, which is 7 as our answer, and this gives us 9 minus 5, which is 4, which is what? 2 as our answer. So we have gotten our value for x. Therefore x is equal to 7 or x is equal to 2. So these are the solutions to this quadratic equation using the general formula method. I hope you've gained value from this. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.